Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of deleting a Weebly blog site in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to remove outdated content or begin a brand new project, mastering site deletion is a fundamental skill. Let's dive into the steps to make this transition as smooth as possible. Begin by visiting the Weebly website. For those unfamiliar, Weebly is a popular platform providing tools for building personal and professional sites. Open your web browser and navigate to the main Weebly URL to reach their website builder. Once there, you must sign in. Enter your email and password on the login page. Note that these credentials are the same if you use a Square account, Weebly's parent company. After inputting your details, click the Login button to proceed. You should now be on your Weebly dashboard. Locate the Overview option, which serves as the management hub for your created sites. It is helpful to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it acts as the main control panel for your online work. Next, find the drop-down icon usually positioned near the top of the dashboard. Clicking this will show a list of all your managed sites, providing a direct path to the one you want to remove. Identify the specific blog site you plan to delete. If you manage multiple projects, double-check that you have selected the right one to avoid accidental loss. Highlight the site to reveal a three-dot menu icon beside it. Click those 3 dots to open further management settings. In this menu, select the option labeled Delete Site to start the process. A prompt will then appear asking for final confirmation. This is a critical step, so verify the site name one last time. Once you confirm, the action is permanent and the blog will be removed from your account forever. That is how you successfully delete a blog site on Weebly. Always remember to download any important data or content you wish to keep before finalizing the deletion. Thanks for watching.